So help me God.
Thank you.
Ramokgopa uveza amahlelo kunye namaqalondanza akhe ngemva kokuthi afungiswe njengongqongqotjhe kunye nabanye abongqongqotjhe namasekela abo nesekela likamengameli wenarha izolo ebusuku eTheyney eKapa. uRamokgopa uthi uthunyeke khulu ngentetshi zokuphehla igezi ezingakathembeki zawa Eskom.
Focus on maintenance, which is essentially our albatross, because if you like, the deterioration, rapid deterioration of the energy availability factor, the fact that we had experienced 202 days of load shedding in the last calendar year, it's an indictment of the deterioration of the energy availability factor. I mean, we're sitting upwards of 70%, close to 80% 2010. At some point late last year, early this year, we're flirting with about 48% of the energy availability factor.
Nanyana anomsebenzi omkhulu omlindileko nje, kodwa ungqongqotjhe wegezi ubonakala azimisele begodwa ukulungele ukuthoma ngomsebenzi wakhe.
The more technically complex it looks, the more impossible it looks, the greater my appetite. So this is something I'm ready for the fight. Of course, working with the collective of the players. The appointment of an electricity minister doesn't resolve load shedding. The actions of the electricity minister working with the player stakeholders resolve load shedding.
Uthonyeke kwamambala uRamokgopa ngamabhizinisi afadalalako ngonobangela wokunande eqinteliswa igezi. Uthi uzwelana namakhaya alahlekelwe imisebenzi ngokunande ekucinywa igezi kunye nomthelelo omumbi kwezempilo ngonobangela wokuqinteliswa kwegezi.
So it's an extraordinary event. It's got catastrophic implications if we don't get to address it. So we need to pay that attention on the resolution of the problem of load shedding.
uRamokgopa uthi uhlelo yokubamba imkhulumiswano nekoro yezamabhanka ukuthi isize ngezemali ukuthi abantu bathole ama-solar power. Kanti uRamokgopa uthemba bona izabe yehlile indaba yokuqinteliswa kwegezi enyangeni ezili-18 ezizako.